हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन पवन सतोशी यूट्यूब चैनल। स्वागत है पवन सतोशी यूट्यूब चैनल पे। सो फ्रेंड, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट वन टास्क दैट विल गिव यू 1000 एक्सपी पॉइंट। सो हाउ वी कैन कंप्लीट, तो 1000 पॉइंट हमको कैसे मिल सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड, फॉर दैट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक हेयर। आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है एंड आई विल क्लिक हेयर, देन आई विल क्लिक ऑन द एक्सपीरियंस। सो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट हेयर एक्सपीरियंस। लेट मी फर्स्ट चेक इन। तो पहले आप चेक इन कर लो एंड नाउ यू कैन सी द टास्क इज ऑलरेडी गोइंग ऑन। दैट टास्क इज ज्वाइन नाउ एंड गेट 1.5 XPHRS विद द टॉप नॉड वॉलेट। तो यहाँ पे इसको हम कर सकते हैं और यू कैन क्लिक फ्रॉम हेयर ऑल्सो, यू कैन सी, right? So let me try and see that it will direct you to the this website. ये आपको यहाँ पे direct करेगा, so just wait. And according to your mobile you have to select your uh, so I will select here because I have Android phone. So let me download from directly from the Play Store. तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, डायरेक्टली Play Store से इसको डाउनलोड कर लेता हूँ. So friend, I will install it. So you can see that installation progress is on going on. तो प्रोग्रेस यहाँ पे चल रही है, इसको वेट करते हैं. So friend, you can see that we have successfully installed it. Now we will open it. तो इसको हम open कर लेंगे. Let me open it. So friend, here what you have to do, you have to click on the wallet button. So I will click on the wallet button. So you can, this kind of interface will come. ऐसा interface आएगा. You have to click on the agree and you have to create a new wallet, right? So I will sign up with, I will try with the sign up with Google. तो Google से एक बार try करते हैं. So let me select my email ID and I will sign up on this. So here I have to type my any, you have to set your new password. So don't put your Gmail password but try to put any new password here, okay? So friend, you have to here wait after putting your password and remember the password should be more than 8 characters. 8 characters से ऊपर का पासवर्ड रखना है और ये आपका इनिशियलाइज योर वॉलेट क्रिएट हो रहा है. Here you can enable your biometric. So let me enable it. So now it is enabling your biometric authentication. So now friend, you can see this is your wallet is ready and we can click here. So we will click here and we will receive, we will try to get our wallet address. So you have to click here. आपको यहाँ पे click करना है receive पे and you can see I got my address. So friend, now I will send some Pharos on this wallet address. हम इस पे क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा सा Pharos भेजेंगे. So friend, I am going to send some Pharos. So let me select it and I will select Pharos PHRS. I will paste here my wallet address. मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, अपना wallet address है जो है paste कर दूँगा. So friend, I have pasted here, confirm. So let me try with 0.1 PHRS and remember the network should be Atlantic. आपका network जो है वो Atlantic होना चाहिए. So friend, you can see that I have sent it and you can see this is my network Atlantic. Okay. So now I will copy this address. अब आपको क्या करना है, same wallet from where you have sent, just copy it. Okay, let me copy it. So wallet it is copy and from here we have to wait here. So you get your Pharos token here. So I will refresh it. यहाँ पे आपको refresh करना है and then you can see that I received immediately PHRS. So this is the fastest blockchain. So I will click here on the Pharos and from here I will click on the send button and I will paste my wallet address and I will on the click on the continue and from here friend I will type 0.08. So let me try 0.08. So friend, here now I will click on the preview button and I will send confirm, and here you can see that it is taking under processing. So after some time this transaction will get confirmed. Okay, so let me go back, and you can see that we have successfully sent our Pharos token. So I will come back here, and this way friend, this task will get completed. Okay, so we have already completed. Now what we do, we can check in our Discord. So friend, I will open my Pharos इन डिस्कॉर्ड में यहाँ पे डिस्कॉर्ड पे जो है अपना फारोस जो है ओपन कर लूँगा. And here friend, I will go in the bottom, and here we will search our command only section. Okay, so let me go it here, and I will type here top test top testnet, and here you can paste your address, and here you can see that it will show your rank. And so I will type here another testnet info. So here I will paste my address and I will select here. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे आपको इस तरीके से टास्क कंप्लीट करने के बाद you can see that we have successfully completed our task. So friend, this is the way that you can collect point, and you can see that we are already collected the point, right? So friend, here this is another site. So through this site also you can check your transaction. So right now it is not showing, but you can here complete 91 transaction, and this way you can collect I think 9100 9110 पॉइंट्स. तो दोस्तों यहाँ पे आप इसी तरीके से 91 ट्रांजेक्शन करके अपने ये पॉइंट इकट्ठे कर सकते हैं. आई होप दिस वीडियो विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. थैंक यू सो मच. टेक केयर. सो फ्रेंड, हियर यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दिस ऐड. आप इस ऐड को क्लिक करेंगे तो दिस काइंड ऑफ इंटरफेस विल कम. So we have to complete here some tasks. So you can see these are the tasks. Okay, so one by one we will click on here follow. So I have already followed this, so this task has been completed. Okay, the second one, join node top node telegram group. So we will click here. So friend, here we have to join this one. Okay, so I will click on the join button, and here you have to click on the announcement. Okay, so I think announcement is closed, so I will go in official. Okay, so the topic is closed, no issue. So we have to join this. Let me click on the chat button. So here you can type hi, hello, or anything. Okay, so this way you can join this telegram. So let me close it. And third one is complete. So friend, this task we have done, this is also done, and we have also done this task, right? So I will click on the go button, and here you can see that we have already done this task. So let me go back, and here we have to click on the claim button. So I will click on the claim button, but here's we are getting some error. So actually this is the complete process. So I hope you have done this task, and if you like my video, you can subscribe my me in X also, or also in my telegram. So friend, you can subscribe us in ट्विटर, आप हमें सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं ट्विटर पे. Also you can subscribe us in our telegram. So friend, this is our telegram channel, so you will get all links in my video description. So this is the username Pawan Satoshi G, right? So thank you so much.